Emily, hello. Now we are entering in a very ancient Pompeii. Pompeii was, the first civilization been here are the Osci, very old civilization of Italy. Then we have the Sanniti as well, another. And then Pompeii, during the year 80 BC, became a sort of a Roman colony. But we cannot absolutely say that Pompeii belonged to Rome, because during the year 80 BC, there was, a Roman invasion, and the Romans, they invaded the entire region, and Pompeii, as well, still existing before, was ruled by the Romans. Okay? But over there is really evident different layers. Look at the structure there. The lower layer is in two. Can you see the two stones, yellow? Can you see these two stones? Means the first civilization been here, they used the two stones for the structure. Up is already a mix of a lava stone. Can you see? Mixing lava stone and two stones. The upper part, you can see the bricks. Can you see the red bricks? When you see the bricks, it means the signature of the Romans. Okay? Pompeii was at the time a very modern town. Imagine, more than Rome. Because in Rome they had no water in the houses. In Pompeii they had the water in the houses.
This is active. It is very different. So Athena all the time. And like Hawaii. Like Hawaii. Yeah, in Kilauea. Very similar. But here now is a door.
Jag får inte sabi no wine. Det är många hidden.
The theater was created respecting the Greek theater, same thing. Because they built the theater here, because in this spot the hill was naturally inclined, so they could use the natural shape of the hill. But so was the society in Pompeii. Look, this is the original marble. Ima cavea. This was the section of the theater reserved for the politicians. Candidate.
Gladiators.
Can you see the graffiti? Representing two fighting gladiators with the weapons.
There's the shield.
This is a very old graffiti, real graffiti. But this is a satire, because the gladiators are usually massive guys, but here with the chicken legs. Have you seen the gladiators? Is it nice? Is it funny? The graffiti? Welcome on one of the most important streets of Pompeii. Please. We don't know exactly what was this, but we exactly know, if you come closer, look here, at the entrance. Can you see the trail? Can you see the groove here, right? On the road. The grooves on the road left by the chariots. But what means this groove, this trail? Every time you see some spot with this trail outside at the entrance, we are talking about shops, because there were sliding doors. Sliding doors. And the owner was using to live next to the shop. This was the house of the owner. Because look how it's inclinate, Pompeii. Imagine during the rainy days. Here there was a river of rain flowing down. They could not cross the road easily. That's why they created this crossing system. Crossing steps. But why so high? First of all, for the water was running down, very high, level. And the chariots as well. Sometimes they already arrived with the chariots on the ship. They tried to enter in Pompeii, to use the same chariot they already have on the ship, to put stuff on, to export outside. In Pompeii they invented a particular size of chariots. The distance between the wheels was unique, was only here. Means that when they arrived here, if they need a chariot to export something outside, they must rent the chariots here. Another way to make money. Very smart. That's why they could pass with the chariots here, but only the chariots from Pompeii, no others. That's why you see the groups on the road left by the chariots in the past. Very interesting is this outside here, this block of stone. This is like a bench, okay? Because at the time, this was the place where if you had an appointment with the owner of the house, you should wait here, outside, and then you pull the handle when you decide to, you can, okay? Let's go. First of all, the entrance of the house, okay? The entrance, which is the atrium, entrance. See that many words derived from the Roman time. Atrium, entrance, similar. In the atrium is visible in each house, window without roof, atrium, Publium is this, the area between the entrance and Pedestrian, the garden. The garden is called the Pedestrian, but is surrounded by columns, like here. In Pedestrian here, they had sliding doors on the canopy. When the owner had an appointment, everything was closed. Anyone could know what they said. The city family was Pompeii, was a very important family of Rome. It's good like this. Please, good like this. Have a look at when you look at the decorations, the mosaics on the floor, you know what this is? Courtyard. And the man in the art. Symbol of our family. Then we have I will show you later on the result of the invention of the first archaeologist who discovered Pompeii.
Menander house.
Anteone, he was a young hunter, but he made a fold. During the hunting day, he could see Minerva, the goddess, undressed. Real one, Cornelius. Probably Cornelium was one of the candidates. So was the political propaganda. Sometimes the same thing was totally in black. Huh? You know why here? In Pompeii, this is the one and only where you can see the plaster test 360 degrees. You can walk around to see the details. So, one is exactly so we decided something very smart. Starting to inject, really inject, link the class, the book. I don't know if it's true or not. This should be a pregnant lady. They died suffocated. This is the real position when she was out. If she is like this, okay, it's probably not to be protected by the ash rain, but by the gas. It's suffocated. But which shot? Why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes? Why? Why the hole?
Like bar or restaurant?
Was
Pizza maker.
was the first, then a little bit the McDonald's. First the fast food. Imagine that you arrive here and I say, how can I help you? They could put in these holes the emperors with hot food, hot drinks and cold drinks as well. Look, passing in front is not visible, but look, another Roman signature all the time. Can you see? Follow your dad. Can you see walk around? And here, which is the main difference? You can see the blocking steps. Means that here begins the pedestrian area. The chariots, they could not enter. And you see over there, here 2 blocks or 3 blocks, inviting chariots to stop at it. Here, many things are really understandable. First of all, by the Romans, they coped everything in stuccos to give the idea of a marble, but it's not marble. It's just white stuccos.
It's what?
Over there is a very evident. Look there. Bricks, envelope, no, really envelope. With a stucco. That's represented a marble. I don't know in New York. The way to know where the red light district was. An arrow.
I saw an angel.
It's an arrow. It's really
The red light district.
One hour are the girls walking because they used to attract clients like the wolf. No, always the wolf. No? So was the way, attracting clients in the night. That's why the Lubanara house. Really?
I see naked people. Is this the Playboy Mansion?
Yes.
This is the ancient Playboy Mansion.
The Prostitution. This is the original lead pipes. Very, very old. Huh? Please, look. Let's go.
Original lead pipes from Home Depot.
So this right here is the lead pipe? They're from Home Depot.
So they all got lead poisoning?
Yep. Engineering feats. This is the main square.
Come closer, huh? It's a very busy area. Would you please stay around me, everyone? Please, everybody. Okay. I know, first of all, I know some of you work over there. And we take the 90 track on the track before to catch the bus. But I cannot keep there. Family. This was the commercial, political, religious. At the time, the entire square was carved and totally covered in white marble, like here. So totally white. Okay? Many buildings here. One of the most important is over there. The Palace of Justice is over there, where the crimes, the judge was there. White color in contrast with the gray color of the floor. What is this? This was another important system they invented to reflect the light, the famous cat's eye.
But wait.
Outside, where you're refreshed, okay? You are a client, you can use the toilet. It's a bathroom. Can you resist 2 minutes?